Hi, how you doing? My name is Corey Fiacco, and this is my submission for tips and tricks I wish I knew when I first started. I started back in February of 2019, and there's probably a million things I wish I knew back then. However, probably one of the most important ones, I think, in my opinion, is when I picked up down at the Business Summit in Atlanta, and I have to give kudos to Shane Young. Actually the person that I got it from, and that is to create a standardized naming convention for all of the fields and collections and things that you have within your app. In the immediate focus of making your app, it doesn't seem as important because you know what label one is and you know what data card value one is and all of those other things. However, having to go back and edit and troubleshoot some of my older apps, I found that I didn't do that when I started, and now I actually have trouble determining where certain things are. When I look at one of my if statements and I see label 1, I don't know exactly where that is. By utilizing a naming convention, you get to figure out where that is a whole lot faster. So it's something that'll always help you down the road, not just when you start. Now, the naming convention I use is something along these lines. This is just my preference. Pick something that works for you. That's really the important part. You're trying to help yourself down the road. So for 2 minutes, that's about all I have. But if there's any questions, please shoot me off the questions. I'll answer anything I can. I know a lot of people helped me when I started, so if you need help, please feel free to reach out to me and I'll help you as much as I can. Happy apping, everyone.